Do you have your own YouTube channel and because of any reason you have lost it? Welcome back to GetAssist.net, and today in this video I will just going to discuss about the recovery process of YouTube channel. So before moving forward, we have one question in our mind. Why YouTube actually delete the YouTube channel? So basically there are two reasons. The number one is violating or having any copyright issues on your channel. Now this is a very serious problem. Before moving forward, we need to understand that whether and how we can actually compensate these problems. Before starting the channel, you should read every rules and regulations of YouTube channel. You cannot violate any particular clause or rules mentioned in the YouTube channel's agreement. Number two, copyright issues. Basically what happens, we generally take any particular music or songs which is already copyrighted. So avoid that to get copyright strikes. If you get 3 copyright strikes, your channel will be deleted. So now let's discuss about the steps and the methods through which you can actually recover your YouTube channel. So the very first method is to recover your YouTube channel within 3 weeks. For this, you actually need to apply for the recovery of the YouTube channel within 3 weeks. So what are the steps of it? Let's discuss. Number 1, visit Google brand accounts. The link is already given in the description. Using the same Gmail account through which you have actually made your account. Step number 2, click on deleted accounts to find your deleted YouTube channel. Number 3, restore your brand account following the provided guidelines. Fourth step, be patient. It may take a few days for your YouTube channel to be fully restored. So the second method is YouTube creator support. For this, actually there are 2 options. Number 1 option is to contact the YouTube support team. For this, you need to visit Google support page. The link is already given in the description. After this, select contact us for the assistance. Number 2, you can actually tweet to YouTube channel. For this, you need to select @YouTube, @team YouTube, or @YouTube creators dealing your situation. You can ask your followers to retweet it to make the visibility more stronger. I hope this process could help you to recover your YouTube channel. Firstly, you have to be very patient because this process will take longer period of time. It may take 5 to 4 working days, or it may take a month as well. So there are many various steps involved in recovering your YouTube channel, which will be done by the YouTube team only. They can ask you to send some emails, or they will send you some emails to verify your lost YouTube channel as well. So the steps will be different for different users, so that we cannot discuss it right now. But yes, steps will be involved after the assistance of YouTube channel team only. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, don't forget to watch these videos of our YouTube channel and also subscribe our YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one.